The alternating Superman. This is an exercise I use as a variation to the Superman. It's a little easier and causes less stress on the lower back. For my clients who have maybe a weak lower back or injured or issues with their discs, could be herniated or bulging, and if it's okay with their health practitioner that they can do Superman, then I prefer to revert to the alternating Superman. So for this one, you lie on your stomach on the floor, and I'm going to lift one arm and the opposite leg. And after that, I'll do the other side. I like to do contralateral, meaning if I do the right arm, I lift the left leg. However, you could also do same side. There's nothing wrong with that. The main thing that I'm doing wrong right now because I'm talking to you is I would want you to have a neutral head. So I'm looking at the floor and lifting arm and leg. And feeling my lower back engage when I lift my extremities. The alternating Superman is a simple exercise, but can be quite effective in strengthening your lower back and your glutes as a secondary muscle.